Great news, we've got an update about Owl Sharpton. And if you don't know who that is the great horned owl that smacked into a window over there inside the greenhouse. Now that was a few days ago, but the good news is he's doing better and he's ready to be released, and we're gonna bring you along for his release back into the wild. So we're waiting on the representatives from Wild Bird Rescue. They should be here any minute with Owl Sharpton, and we're gonna do a release, and yeah, let's go see. He's here. I want it to go away. Whoa, oh my goodness. He's so much more alert.
Yeah.
What was the rehab process?
Give it time.
Just time?
Yeah.
Time and food and water?
Yeah, it rang, it felt pretty good, yeah.
We talked about it.
Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. And so basically, when we release him, we will just pop the top off, and we're gonna step back, give him a good amount of space, and we just want to give him time. We're not gonna push him. He's just gonna leave on his own time, okay?
So he got pretty stunned.
Yes, yeah, I saw that video. He looked like he was pretty dazed for a while.
Oh my gosh, I was worried when I saw him on the sidewalk, just like, so he's good to go now?
Yeah, he definitely took a spill. You were kind of asking a little bit about the rehab process for him. So I'll kind of give you all the science of what we do and how we do it for these guys. So studies show that any window strike that comes in or car collision, basically any bird that's involved in some kind of impact has some degree of swelling and bleeding on the brain. So whenever they come in, or even if they're in any kind of impact, we always have a rule of they come in, they get medicated, they're under observation for a few days. We want to make sure that they can pick up and find food wherever they're at, and that they are able to fully flight again. Other issues, so like we've had some come in who have had really pretty significant impacts as well, where they've had pupil issues. So we give them time, still let them recover. Sometimes those cases take a little more time. With him, he was quite dazed, but he was really alert afterwards, really bright, really eager to eat, which is really important and really great signs for them. So y'all acted quickly and y'all brought him in really fast, which is important as well. So as far as medicine, any bird that comes in like this, we always give them anti-inflammatories to help with any swelling that they're dealing with, but also antibiotics, because a lot of the time she'll have a little bit of aspiration as well. So they intake either sometimes blood or whatever other fluid they might have. He went through a full course of medication. He's done really well. He's flown. I'm excited to release him and get him back out here and let him keep doing his job.
All right. Yeah, we need him to eat more rats.
Yes, exactly. They're so important for that. We will just open that crate up, and if you want, I'll let you grab the top of the crate if you want to lift that basically up and down, and then I'll try to get that front crate out of the way, and we'll get him released.
I put him in a box, so it's only fitting that I take him out of a box.
Yes. All right.
So I'm just going to go straight back with it.
Yep.
All right, ready?
Yep. You take the crate.
You're free. Woo.
Yay! Of course, you made a liar of me and goes right towards the sun.
Right towards the sun, yeah.
It was a male, right?
Yes, yeah.
I did. I handled it real well. I said, hey, Melissa, you got to herd out here.
Him and the volunteers have done a great job, so I appreciate them and all their hard work as well. And I appreciate you guys for calling us and taking care of them.
Yeah.
Well, not only just calling us, but the support that y'all have given us,
Yeah.
Catherine and Michael. And so, I mean, that's a big thing, of course. And Dave.
Yeah.
Dave's not here, but Dave, that's wonderful.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Thank you guys.
Success.
Yeah, it was nice to
Make
meet
sure you
I
support
met you.
Wild Bird Rescue.